Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 25th of July. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Page of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. Your person has the Four of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I have a Two of Cups, which means mutual love and feeling, okay, that both of you have for each other. And that could be a reason why, both of you are still bound to each other, but there could be some situations that are happening right now in this relationship, okay. Now, what I see from the first set of cards is the Page of Pentacles. With that, this person has a childlike energy, or this is something that you are exhibiting right now, that you have a little bit of a childlike energy, okay? You're not understanding how serious life is, or, how serious this person is taking this particular relationship. Now, the next two cards that I see for you is the Six of Pentacles with the Eight of Swords. With the Six of Pentacles here, it means that you are sharing your time, money, resources, or your love affection with somebody else, okay? That's sharing. Now, it necessarily doesn't mean that it has to be a person. It could be something else also. It could be a second hustle, a job, or something, okay, wherein you're devoting that time, okay, and that is the thing where you are sharing your or self, okay. Now, because you're going ahead and doing this, it's causing a little bit of guilt to you, because maybe this is something that you have not told your person. So for them, okay, if it's a job, okay, if it's another job, or if it's your hobby, or it's a side hustle, okay, then because you've not informed your person, they feel that maybe you are, just having a good time with somebody else, okay. That could be the reason, and that's causing a lot of guilt to you because you've not shared that information with them. Now, person B here, okay, has the Four of Swords with the Wheel of Fortune. When you have the Four of Swords, this person has laid down all their swords and they have taken that step back because they don't see anything good happening right now. Which means that they have, gone back because they want to restore their energy, and they really want to think hard to understand whether they want to put in that effort or not. Now, they are definitely looking for the Wheel of Fortune to change or move in their favor. Until the time that this doesn't happen, they have the Nine of Wands, which will cause a lot of exhaustion and stress to this person, okay. Now, let's also see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see is the Five of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. With the Five of Wands, it definitely looks like that there are other people. There is a lot of competition in this relationship. It could be from your end or from this person's end. Okay, so if both of you are aiming for this 11-11 card, which is marriage and commitment, it will take a lot of, time, energy, patience, a lot of understanding as well, okay, so that both of you understand that this is what both of you are aiming at. Now, another thing that I see is that, one person in this relationship will offer a pentacle, okay. Now, it could be to you, or it could be that if they feel that there is too much of competition, or they feel that, you're genuinely not interested in this 11-11, they will offer this pentacle to somebody else, okay. Now, it's not with everybody, it's just for few of you, okay. Now, let's also go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Peacock Copper. The crystal messages: are you in touch with your magnificence? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Be aware of the source of your emotional challenges or perceived blocks so that you can release them. Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light brightly. Now, the message here, okay, from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box for you. You may read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.